Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to turn on incognito mode on YouTube. Okay, let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store and tap on search bar, search for YouTube. Tap on YouTube app and check update your YouTube app to the latest version. My YouTube app already updated to the latest version. Okay, back to home screen. And now long tap your YouTube app. Tap on F-info or I button and scroll down. Tap on storage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data, delete, and now tap on permission option and first to last allow all permission. First camera allow and second contacts allow and location allow. Another microphone, nearby devices, notifications, turn on notifications. Okay, back, and phone, photos and videos. Okay, always allow all, back, and complete allow all permission. Back to home screen and open your YouTube app and tap on profile icon, tap on account option and tap on turn on incognito and turn on incognito mode. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.